Namaste everybody, myself Ashish bring another video for today with the daily analyze review of Nifty and Sensex. So let's begin. Indian blue chip shares reverse to end lower as the financial auto wait. The Indian blue chip shares reversed earlier the gain to finish lower on Thursday, dragged by the financial and auto. In contrast to the daily in the Asian peers on hope that the Federal Reserve would stop the raising the interest rate. Nifty 50 crossed 0.60% down and closes at with 19,659, while that Sensex has lost 0.66% and closes with 66,266. Index had minor the rise in the Asian peers earlier in the sessions after the Fed delivered what some expect to be its last rate hike this year. However, while that more internationally exposed Indian blue chip share gave up those gains, the domestically focused mid cap. Mid cap finished with the 0.27% higher, while that small cap had ended flat. There is that bifurcations in the market. On the one hand, domestic linked stock are doing well, while the export linked sector had comes under pressure. Reliance spin-off Geo Financial Plant start asset management services in India partnership with the BlackRock sent share AMC sliding. HDFC AMC, UTI AMC, Aditya Birla Life AMC lost 0.5% to 2% and dragged the heavyweight financial index down 0.78%. Mahindra & Mahindra slid 6.31%, most on the Nifty as the automakers plans to buy stake in the lender RBL. Rise concern over the capital allocations, the focus on a non-core business. The auto index dropped 1.21%. Mahindra tumbled 3.79% after its quarterly profit dropped as a client cut back on the IT services spending. On the flip side, Pharma jumped 3.5%, boosted by the gain Dr. Reddy's Laboratory and the Cipla as the drug maker beat the quarter profit expectations. The Cipla rose 9.64% to the 9 months high, while the Dr. Reddy's climbed 0.57%. Nifty chart hint for the more trouble ahead by the ending 118 points lower at 19,659 aimed the mostly the FNO settlement. Nifty on Thursday from the lower top and bearish candle, which is indicating the further corrections from the current level. Nifty closed below the immediate support 10 days EMA at 19,680 after the sustaining above it for the 21 consecutive sessions. A further weakness from here, the market could slide down to its crucial lower support of 20 days EMA around 19,500. This moving average has been offering the support for the Nifty for the past 3 months. Both the prices and momentum indicator are struggling that there be some weaknesses in the short term. Daily Bollinger Bands are also contracting, which points towards the consolidations in the short term. With this, I am Ashish closing out the today's sessions. More such videos, please do subscribe our channel. Also, this video is purely made for the educational purpose. There is no recommendation for the stock buying or selling. Do your own research. Please consult your financial advisor before investing. Thank you.